Hello my friends, and welcome to my segment of Pouring from Coast to Coast. Now we don't have a challenge this week, and so I'm keeping it simple by doing a pour with Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paints. Now, I noticed in the past, I've used these a lot. I have a whole playlist using them in various techniques. Sometimes I extend them, sometimes I add silicone. Anyway, I noticed sometimes that some of the colors seem to be transparent and they don't tell you on the bottle. So I believe the turquoise, or aqua green rather, is transparent. You can see that there. And the purple also appears to be transparent. So I've marked them with a T. And then the this is light blue. That is opaque. See the difference there. So I mixed these two with a little white because I don't want them to disappear in my painting. So, but the others I'm using straight from the bottle. Gold, the light blue, black, copper, and metallic cobalt. Got a 16-inch round canvas here. I'm going to use this split cup. And I don't know that this holds enough paint to cover this, so I also mixed up some black, which I have extended with glue and Floetrol. It's pretty much the same consistency as those, maybe a little thicker. And it will dry nice and dark. That way I'm not using up, a lot of this. Pretty much level in there. So here we go. Let's see. I think I'll just do a straight pour, or shall I travel it? I'll travel it. That'll be a little more interesting. And here we go. I like the look of that. Wow, I really like that black there. That's very interesting, dramatic looking. I suppose I could fill the cup up again and in the same way. And fill the rest of the canvas. Okay. Come on. All right. Just won't stop. There we go. Well, this is really pretty in here. That's interesting. This is kind of blah. I'll probably end up tilting a lot of that off. I wonder, there's so much going on. I think I would like to add black for some negative space. I rather like it. Let me bring it in for a closer look. That copper is really something. I like it against the blue there and against the black. Yeah. Well, I am out of practice, but I don't hate it. Thanks for watching, my friends. And now let's head over to Taneva's studio and see what she's up to. See you next time.